Welcome, guys. Hello, everyone. Let me quickly introduce you to our newest FCA Cybersecurity Learning Path by Cybrac. FCA Cybersecurity stands for Fortinet Certified Associate in Cybersecurity, which is one of the Fortinet's certifications. This certification validates your skills and abilities to operate a FortiGate firewall and covers a lot of topics related to network and cybersecurity. Our learning program is here to help you out to pass the FCA cybersecurity exam and also to teach you the different topics and technologies from the exam blueprint. Before we start looking at the learning path content, let me briefly tell you a little bit about the exam. FCA cybersecurity is an intermediate level test, which means that you don't really have to know a lot before you take the exam. But I would say that in terms of prerequisites, two things I would focus on at minimum. I would want to make sure that I understand would be networking and basic security concepts. At some point, when you take the test, when you prepare to the test, you will probably need to connect a firewall to the network or basically answer questions related to the basic firewall initial setup. And because of that, you need to know how network operates, what is a router, what is a switch, how networking works at a high level, what is switching, what is routing. You need to know what is an interface on the device, what are IP addresses, stuff like that. So this is all basic networking concepts that each of you should already understand. Now the second thing is going to be to think about basic security concepts. So stuff like what is a firewall, what is its function, how do you typically manage firewall appliances, what is a threat, what is security operations, what other type of security appliances you may see in a network. So basic stuff for networking and security. Now when we now move on and take a look at our learning path, which you can find at cybrac.com, just click on the Learn menu, select Certifications, go ahead and choose FCA Cybersecurity. If you take a look at this learning program, it is actually made of 4 courses, at least of the time of making this recording. We've got starting with FortiGate Firewall, traffic control with FortiGate. There is this advanced traffic control with FortiGate and FortiGate Technologies. Looking at these courses one by one, you can probably tell that we kind of like progress for the concepts, starting with the basics in this starting course, where we talk about the FortiGate platforms. We discuss capabilities of Fortinet firewalls. We make a brief overview of the firewall's command line, talk about administrative access. I'll show you how to work with basic firewall configuration and how to initialize the firewall, how to perform initial firewall setup, configure basic elements like interfaces, like routing, so the firewall can communicate with the network and other devices. And next, we focus on the policy-related topics. The policy makes the heart of any firewall. In this case, we will talk about the different policy modes. We will talk about logging. We will see how to deploy a firewall policy and take a look at network address translation. In the advanced traffic control with FortiGate, we will talk about the inspection modes to start. And then most of the content here, we will spend this time looking at the different security profiles, which is how you enable advanced inspection engines on FortiGate firewalls. We will finish this course with user authentication, and in FortiGate Technologies, the last course that makes this series, we will talk about more advanced topics and technologies such as security fabric, virtual domains, high availability, and virtual private networks. I hope you guys join us on your journey with FCA Cybersecurity certification. I hope you level up your skills with our learning program, and I hope you guys pass the exam with confidence. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.